Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to create contact groups for bulk messaging on iOS. Creating contact groups for bulk messaging on iPhone is best achieved by creating a list in the native Contacts app or using the Shortcuts app for more advanced bulk messaging. You can organize contacts, then use the list to send group iMessages or SMS. So we're going to go with the Contact native app method. So we're going to go ahead to the Contact app, hit List in the top left, right? If you're new, hit Add List for Yahoo or iCloud and name it Team, for example, right? As you can see, I already created a list. So after you create the list, go ahead to Team, for example, and you're going to see the message icon next to Team title, right? And you can start a group chat. So of course you need to add contacts beforehand, right? Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit done. Now you can create a new message by hitting messages or the message icon. And now into the subject, and of course start messaging those individuals. So consider liking this video, subscribing. It really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.